So I kind of seem to have gotten catfished by my last planned stop. So I decided to get back in the car, and for the past hour I've been driving. I've been trying to figure out if I've been here or not, and I'm happy to announce the answer is no. So I'm at White Owl Antiques somewhere in North Carolina. Let's go in and see what they got. Dude. Okay, well, first of all, this place is actually huge. Like, super huge. I am so ready for this. All right, first thing I see, what's the prices gonna be like? $89, that's not crazy for a collector. It's like stuff everywhere. I love the red planter. Oh, this place is packed. Now I see why there's so many cars out front. Love this little head vase girl. She is $30, not a bad price. What about the little football guy? I know I normally don't do sports, but he's pretty great. $22. And the bathing beauty on the shell, $20. That's a good price. What's this vase? I kind of think, see, the thing is I would get this, except it's a large size. I've just had it. I don't know. I'm kind of like waiting for that thing that really excites me before I start letting loose entirely. 50% off, and I don't know if that says 5 or, oh, nope, $2 and 50% off. That's mine. Sorry, that's a keeper. What is this? It's an awesome hobbyist vase. It's huge. Very cool. Love the look of that. I would get that for my house, but I don't feel like shipping that, especially not with $20 invested. Lamb planter, 23. Ooh, that's pretty. 35. Artichoke milk glass. I like the description there. What appears to be Fostoria. It says Fenton. I'm not sure if it's Fenton or Fostoria, but it's also $20, so I'm gonna leave it there. What is this weird thing over here? Not what I thought. Oh my gosh. What? I don't even know where to start here. Weird mushroom thing. These are cool. Love this set. All right, we gotta know how much is it. $325. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Well, is this open? Nope, definitely not. How much is that? $125 on the Burmese. That's gorgeous. This jar is amazing. The price is upside down. All right, so the prices are definitely where they need to be. Wow. Oh my gosh. How much is it? I hate that I can't see how much it is. All right, well, I'm a little bummed that I can't see how much it is. I'm assuming it's expensive. The question is how expensive. Love that. These are cute. How much is this? Come on, tag. Love that green. Wait, is this $25? Dude, what? That's a hard to find color green. Why is it so cheap? Everything else is spendy. I'm gonna take that for sure. The alley cats are amazing. I recognize that. And that, I just sold that. That's so funny. Wow. Oh, I'm like so ready to bust the glass open. $175 on the unicorn. I really just want to know how much the damn vase is. I don't normally do voiceovers, but the music was bumping. I mean bumping. This case was epic too. The heart fairy lamp there was $188, and I was swooning. This is me saying that I'm going to have to do voiceovers because I'm directly under the speaker. I'm also in Happy Cat Heaven. I did such a bad job at displaying all the amazing Fenton critters that were in this case just because it was so overwhelming. And yes, I did grab one for myself. And it just kept going. The fish fairy lights and the Santa and just everything. They had some of the best Fenton I've ever seen. The collection was insane. You could drive forever and not see this much Fenton. Trust me, I've tried. This was the best. Here's me swooning over a green vase. That was unfortunately $65. Also, I did say something about the speaker. At least the music's a little less aggressive this way. 17 on the lucite trivet. What about this sad dog, always as is? This is a pretty great pig back here. Looks like holiday fare maybe. $26. Yeah, holiday fare. Oh my gosh. The planters. Okay, first of all, what the hell? $19. This is extremely hard to find. I've never even seen this in real life before. That is a yes. Now, look at the elephant one. That one's $13. I'll take that. And the girl sitting on the chair with the cat at $13 is also a no-brainer. Epic. Oh my gosh, what are these bookends? Stop it. How fun. $40. This is a lot to take in right now. This is interesting. Looks like a Viking glass cat. $15 and 15% off. That's a good price. I'll take that. Wow, this basket's getting heavy and I'm totally crazed. Look at what's happening here. That's gorgeous. $16. I don't think that's what I want it to be though. What about this cat planner? I know I just had that $10 and 10% off. I'll take that for $9. I kind of feel like why not? So far we have a big old basket of cats pretty much. That checks out. And $10. Unbelievable. Look at the elephant. He's fantastic. $18. That's for a collector. Oh my gosh, look at the elephant rocking chair bank with the lenticular eyes. The paint on that is pristine. You never see it with the paint in good condition. I love this mirror. Oh my God, it's only $60. It's missing a little wood at the trim at the bottom, but still, I think I'm actually gonna buy this for myself. I love that style. And I love the detail at the top. $60, it's coming home. Well, I treated myself to a green happy cat, but check out this snail. Because it's as is, it's got like a little broken antler. It's only $50. I kind of can't say no to that. That's a yes. Indiana glass. $48, not bad. It's a good price. Huge Bengal situation happening. $1. We'll take those. Sorry guys, we found another speaker. I love what's going on with the Mosser. I was especially into the sheep on Nest. That was $30. Kind of wish I'd grab it even though it was a little close. The Mosser cats on Nest and actually the bunnies on Nest, even though the hand-painted ones were amazing. I actually get for a little bit cheaper at my place in Pennsylvania, but that one rocked. Ooh. That's cool. I love the glaze on that. Oh my gosh, what an epic hobbyist piece. $24 though. There's a lot going on in here. Can't lie, the music is making it a little much for me. I actually broke my hair clip on the way here. How much is this? $3. I think I'll get another one. Perfect. Although, I'd rather just get a new one. Just kidding. What is this? Dude. That's amazing. Yeah, I'm pretty overwhelmed. I wasn't expecting this. It's kind of just what I wanted, but between the fact of the stimulation of the shock effect and the music, I'm a little I'm a little like, hey, I'm gonna have to come back here at some point. Oh, I love these cats. $16 each though. I looked up the snail. I'd never seen one before. They sell for like crazy, crazy money. I know that it's kind of like faux pas to buy something broken, but it's with that one little broken antler, something that's spectacular, I'm not that upset about it. I told them to go ahead and wrap everything but that, just as I kind of did a little recon since I don't get good phone service in here. And I think I feel pretty safe paying 50 bucks for it, even if I just end up pocketing for myself for a while. Dude, I'm like legit lost. Every time I turn around, I'm like, oh, maybe you're supposed to go this way. And then like a whole nother section appears. This is crazy. Normally I would like start at the far end and work my way over, but I haven't even found the far end yet. Poodle. How much are you, Poodle? $10? I'll take that. That's a good one. Really cute vintage clothing booth. Where's this yellow polka dotted number? Oh my gosh, stop. That's so cute. Wow, look at that Fenton Rosaline. That's really pretty, $46. A lot of Fenton out here, which is kind of surprising, honestly. But it's one of my favorite things, honestly. I know it's not everyone's bag, but I think Fenton is just like the prettiest stuff. What's this weirdo family? That's so cute. It's acrylic. Mouse on Chain family, $10 and 20% off. Boom. Unless marked firm, not marked firm, so $8. I'll take that. That made it easy. Dude. Mexico, but looks like Japan. That's really interesting. What a great elephant. Very cool. Oh, and I love the Holiday Inn retro glass ashtray. I used to sell those all the time. Look at this little figurine. How sweet is she? Huh. 18. She's so romantic. What? That's fun. Pink and white stretch bracelet. I'll take that, even though it's probably like artist-made contemporary. It's still cool. And now I just see that it's 30% off too. That's nice looking. France. Stop. Of course it's French. That's why I like it. A little lucite trivet. 17. Whoa. Whoa. Very, very heavy. Can't even pick it up with one hand. We're going to leave it for sure. Very unusual Tenala duck. 27 Mateos. Wow, that's really awesome. It's a little bit more than I think I can invest in that though for resale. Good price for a collector for sure. DeForest. 25. That's a good buy too. Again, a little bit more than I'd like to have invested, but look at the fish. Pair for $10. $10. Oh, excuse me. Pair for 20, so $10 each. That I can do. What's happening in this booth? I have so many questions. There's a lot happening. First and foremost, oh my god, I thought that was like one piece. I was really excited about that. What a letdown. Here's a cat. $10. Made in China though. It's a repop. Dude. What is this epic pillow? Lady pillow. That is amazing. Oh my gosh, look at this guy hiding back here. How much is it? 24? It's not Lefton. It's USA Pottery. Yeah, I think 24 might be a little steep for me for resale. More Fenton. This bowl is amazing at $40. Wow. And then over here, another heart basket. The ivory ruffled base is really pretty too. I don't know. I think I might have found my Fenton treasure for at least the day. Good grief. Look at what's happening here. All right. Well, first of all, $200, 150, 150, 275. Okay, so the head bases are definitely at cost. Wow. Oh my gosh, I love the bracelets. Are they gonna be locked though? Tell you what, when you spend 6 hours in the car, the last thing you want to do is deal with running around looking for a key to get a $10 item. This is very cool. Wall pocket. Is it broken? Why is it 10 bucks? Used to go. I'll take that. That's a great wall pocket. I see like it's got like this tiny little spot right there, but that's about it. That's super fun. Oh my gosh, the owls are so good. Well, that was an unexpected find. How cool. Next time I know to leave a little more time. I'm on the way to a specific destination. I spent $230 in there for resale. I spent another $220 on myself with the Happy Cat and a limited edition green color, as well as the mirror. So I'm going to go to my next spot, and I will see you guys when I get there.